What I'm going to show you is the biggest 5-room flat in Peak at Toa Payoh at 117 square meters. Come, follow me. Welcome to this 117 square meters 5-room flat unit. Before we head into the living room, there's full height cabinets along the walkway where you can put in plenty of storages for your shoes and your other equipment as well. As you enter into the living room, it is a vibrant atmosphere in it. You can easily fit in a 5-seater sofa, and a TV console with mounted TV has already been done up. As you can see, we have a very wide living and dining area. While fitting your sofa here, we also can fit in a 6-seater dining table over here. While you're enjoying your dinner, you can have the beautiful balcony view with your favorite TV shows. This is definitely a strategic layout. With a southeast facing in the balcony, we do have partial sunlight that comes into the unit. We do also have a planter right here for people with green fingers to grow your plants. From the entrance walkway, moving to my right is the kitchen. The kitchen is extremely spacious, and you can see top and bottom hung cabinets on my left, and also a fridge on my right with the household shelter as well. Walking into the master bedroom, as you can see, is extremely spacious. We have 4 panels of inbuilt wardrobe, while you have cabinets on your left and a long stretch of inbuilt table on your right. You can do your work while getting inspiration from this beautiful skyline. Here over in the master bedroom's balcony, you can see a beautiful Singapore skyline on my left. Moving into the common bedroom, the flooring transits from porcelain flooring to laminated wood flooring, making the room feel more warm and cozy. The bedroom can fit in a queen-size bed, mattress, and also a small study table with built-in wardrobes on my right as well. As this unit is on a high floor, you will enjoy unblocked views as well. We are just a 3-minute drive to PIE Expressway, which takes us to the heart of Orchard Road and CBD in approximately 15 minutes. We are close to not just 1, but 3 MRT stations: Braddell, Toa Payoh, and Caldecott MRT. You can head to multiple supermarkets such as Fairmart Supermarket, Budget Value, which are 3 minutes away. There are 3 primary schools that's within the 1-kilometer vicinity, naming the Kheng Cheng School, CHIJ Primary, and Marymount Convent School. There are also reputable secondary and tertiary institutions within the vicinity, like CHIJ SEC, Raffles Girls Secondary School, Raffles Institution, SJI International School, and St. Joseph's Institution. So what do you think about this unit? This might be just the perfect home for you and your family. If you're interested, please contact me at 90476775, and I'm Brian, here to matchmake your property for you.